So, investigation continues. Found a leak, which was in this corner down here. All this was letting in water. All down here was just mesh. He's been in here. The previous owner had been in this area before, and that was. And this is kind of rotten halfway through. Well, not halfway through. About quarter. I could stab a screwdriver quite happily into it. He had just put tile adhesive in that corner, filled it up where the plasterboard had gone through for a quick podge. As I continued to take out the grout, it was all sandy where he filled in, not properly used ties or anything. So I've taken up a row. It's dry. All this is dry underneath here. So what I'm going to do is cut that and take all this out. And take this little bit out as well. Into here, this is dry here. There's a stud behind there, so I'm going to cut it here. But my cut aqua panel I've got just standing there. So I'm going to cut that, put that in there, seal it. I mean, it's only a temporary thing for the next 6 months because I've got a contractor coming in hopefully. And so I'm going to put some tape in here, fill that all in, cover that and seal all that up. Retile all this. This corner has no protection whatsoever in here all the way up. There's no connection. It should have had some waterproof tape or some tanking stuff in this corner behind the tiles. Nothing. All the way up. There's cracks all the way up. And at the top here, didn't notice when I reviewed the house, but he's just put clear silicone over the cracks. So he's known it'd be an issue. And then the biggest bodge is on the corner here where we've got the stud wall. So we've got the original stud wall of the house, which is quite rotten. Got the plasterboard, and in the middle here, I'll show you now what we have. In the middle was some MDF board, just not even screwed to the studs, screwed to the battens. So I've taken that out, and again what I'm going to do is take out some of this crap in here, put a board in here, tape it. I might even cut the board so that the tiles are halfway over the cut. But again, this bit's dry. You can see where the water's got up to in place. This is an old leak. It looks like it wasn't leaking here, it was leaking over there. So it looks like this is being filled in at some stage. So I'm going to put it in here, tape it all up, seal it all tight, keep the shower trays off, shower caps off, so I can make sure there's no leaks afterwards. But yeah, this is just a temporary fix so we can have the shower over Christmas and then start of next year after any snow. And we've only got a single pane and windows in here, get those replaced and hopefully free up some money to get this done. Oh, and also tool wise, got a multi-tool here. The accessories what came with it are next to useless, so I got some diamond edge grout remover. Great, it just takes the wall ties out and the grout perfectly. It's same texture as this. This is alright for doing 1 or 2 tiles if they're loose, but it's tedious when you have more than 4 or 5. But getting there slowly.